Alright, so this is my 1989 Fox Body 5.0 302. This is the HO motor. As you can see, it's definitely been in the car for a while and cleaned up the valve covers, but still, the valve covers were trashed and caked on, kind of like this stuff down here, but I mean, what can you expect? It's a 31-year-old car, so this is a before video just to see like what it is like. Obviously grit and gunk everywhere. Gonna be power washing it off with Purple Power and then these guys right over here, and then I will get back to you with the result. Alright, so this is after the motor's all cleaned up. As you can see, the oil pan is a different shade, a lot less gunk on it. It's a PB Blaster if you're wondering, so I'm gonna keep it all nice and oiled up, but as you can see, there's a lot less gunk in the valley. All back here. Compared to last time, I'm not sure if you guys remember, like this area back here was pretty bad. But all nice and cleaned up. Yeah, changed the oil as well. I figure after I was done degreasing and power washing it, I would basically drain the oil and then the filter as well, just to make sure, because I pulled the figured just put some new oil in it because I pulled the dipstick here out and then allowed water to get in there. So this one has actually two drain points, one right there on the front and then one underneath right there. So drained both sumps, got it all empty, and then put fresh oil in it so it's all nice and clean. Also took out the spark plugs and cleaned them off, put some anti-seize on them and put them back in just for right now, just to make sure I don't have any problems later on when I do want to go put new plugs in. So that was nice. Before I actually cracked any bolts loose, I doused this thing in PB Blaster. Stuff is amazing. Let it soak for a couple days, kept treating it over and over again, and pretty much like spark plugs were amazing. Just like pink, 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 pink. All of them came off really nicely. But yeah, obviously like the block itself is stained, but there's a lot less gunk on there than there was before. You see in there, it's like super clean. And it is coated with PB Blaster, so it might look oily on video, but in person, like, this thing is a completely different motor. Also, like, shined up this valve cover a little bit more. You see that one's a little bit darker. This one's a little bit shinier. Sanded it a little bit just to see what it would clean up like. The idea is to actually take it all apart piece by piece and like powder coat the valve covers, the intake, lower intake, and the high the other intake up there. So the high intake and the low intake, the whole intake system I should say. But probably do that. And then the oil pan itself, the block I will be repainting. Probably can go with a different water pump so I can delete the pulley, probably an electric water pump. New harmonic balancer, there, that's how they spell it or pronounce it. So I'm getting a new harmonic balancer. I'm going to be deleting this pulley, switching to an electric water pump, and then yeah, should be pretty nice. Doing the, I think it's a 130 amp alternator. It's the 3rd generation. I might be wrong on that, so don't quote me. If you want to correct me, you can go in the comments. But for this particular application, I'm going to use the 3rd gen alternator, which is the one that won't light your car on fire, because apparently this one will. So I'm not going to be using that guy anymore, but took the fuel rails off and everything, and looking good. Also took these cloths out because I had other ones in it. Dried up the valves on the inside and sprayed all of them with PB Blaster, and then stuffed the rag back in it just to keep it all nice and oiled. That's all PB Blaster down there, but pretty stoked. It's coming along pretty nicely.